Good morning. Doing this jing for you guys so that you can get this actually done really quickly. You're actually receiving this because you put your grades in the wrong column, and I want to show you a very quick way on how to actually delete what you did and put them in the right column, or you have them in the wrong place. So I'm going to show you really quickly how to do this. Now, understand that it's going to take me longer to actually do this, to actually show you how to do this, than for you to actually do it. That's simple. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and search for your name. Go to course section, select that, then click advanced search. Type your name in the teacher display name. I'm going to go McCoy, even though I know I'm not going to come up. I'm going to use Trisha. You guys know her. I want to choose my second semester, choose my, whatever, all three sections, whatever, how many sections you might have. Select that section. And you want to try and go by grading by task. Right here, grading by task. Pick a task. When you want to pick a task, some of you is going to say second semester. I want you to start with second semester. And actually, some of you might have something other than second semester. It might say final semester. If yours says final semester, click both of those. But we want to make sure those final semester and second semester are cleared out. So if it says second semester, it should look like this. It should be blank all the way down. It should be blank. The one that says final semester should be blank also. Should be no grades in there at all whatsoever. No matter if they withdrew or not, no grades should be there. You want all the grades to be shown right here under current progress. You go to current progress, grades should be here. And you can actually input the grades in right here also. Make sure you click save. If you have grades in the other columns, delete them all. Don't forget to click save. If you don't do it, it won't make a difference. We need this done actually by the end of the day today to make sure we're on point with that. Other than that, that's it. Let's knock this out really quickly and let me know when you've got it done. Thanks.